In this video, I'll show you how to remove a content block in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side and click on the second option, which is for campaigns. Now, once you are on the campaign section, what you can do is choose the email campaign in which you want to remove the content block. Or what you could also do is create a new campaign. And to do that, simply head over to the top and right corner and click on Create. On the Create section, you can choose either a regular email or a multivariate test. We will choose a regular email. At the bottom, I will add an internal name. This could be any internal name. I will name this an email campaign. At the bottom, click on Begin. Now you will be asked to choose a template. I want to start from scratch. Now, once you have your template on the left-hand side, these are the content blocks. They could either be an image, heading, paragraph, button divider, spacer, video, social link, or logo. And at the bottom, if we click on Show More, it will even show you more content blocks. Now, in order for you to delete a content block, what you need to do is simply hover your mouse on a content block, and it will automatically be selected and will automatically say its name at the very top. Now, you want to click on the top, which says image. I will delete an image content block. And once you do that, on the right-hand side, you will have three options, either to move block, duplicate, or delete. Now, what we need to do is click on the trash bin to remove the block. And once you do that, as you can see, we have successfully removed a content block. Now, let's say we want to add a heading, drag and drop, and we want to delete this. It will also be the same thing. Just simply click on the content block. On the right-hand side, click on the trash bin to delete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.